Mama Regina, you be bad mother. Now bad mother now you be. You see Priscilla now. She married from Tanzania. She married big guy. You see marriage, he blow like. In fact, if you enter Facebook or anywhere where you enter, now Priscilla. In fact, we not able to see where put face again. Anywhere where you enter, now Priscilla. You go enter here, now Priscilla. You go enter here, now Priscilla. Now Priscilla marriage, now they blow for everywhere for social media, my people. Why I they do this video now? When I say Mama, what they call her? Mama Regina, now bad mother. When Regina do a marriage, we not see any better marriage. Even the way Regina be, they were so small, like say na Ned Pikin, my people. Like say na Ned Pikin, oh. They never be like say that they do marriage. Because everybody they face maybe na film, maybe na joke. They never do big marriage, nothing. Even Papa not there. Now Mama stand. Mama carry open eye. Carry a dioma. Old man who refused to buy. Carry give Regina may marry. Regina supposed to do this kind of marriage. Where Priscilla do so. Not be that idioma also because of money. Or because of money, Mama Regina, you too like money. You be like say you said that you're picking. Make them make money for you. Eh? Just see the marriage way Priscilla do. Now so picky they bring us man. Fine young guy. The body said that Kokobiri, but a fine guy. But Mama Regina, you carry your old man. Go give your small game. I don't know see Regina for that marriage. She was too small. Even though say she they tell everywhere through the man.